All right, ladies and gentlefolk, we are here to replace the ear cushion on your Leitner wireless headband model headset. This will work whether it's a single ear, like this one, or if it's a dual ear, the ear cushion is going to be the same on either side and either model. So to start, I like to go ahead and flip the microphone boom up toward the top to get it out of your way. We'll flip this to the side so you can see here, you've got a little gap between the ear cushion and the headband. Grab the ear cushion with your thumb there, stabilize it, and press firmly outward until it snaps right off. Now, looking at the ear cushion itself, you have two little notches here. When you go to put your new ear cushion on or return this ear cushion, those are what you're going to line up on the headset right here with these two little receiving notches. You also notice that you have your serial number right there if you ever need to reference that. Now, what you'll just need to do is line those notches up on either side and then push firmly. You'll hear a little snap, and voila, easy peasy.